Okay, we're here with the 1953 Alcort Sunfish Zip. We just painted the cockpit TotalBoat WetEdge Fire Red, and we're used this Scotch tape, delicate surface, number 2080, recommended by Jeff Carr, Two Daughters Boatworks. Bought it from Jamestown Distributors. It's supposed to leave a nice fine line, but not mess up the work surface underneath. So let's see how it does. You got a nice clean edge. There's a seam there between the cockpit trim and the deck. These little white areas are just leftover primer from when the boat's originally built. And it's tape seems to work pretty well. Need one more little bit dab of epoxy on that center keel strip there. And then we'll be ready to start putting parts back on. For the most part, we got to put some epoxy with special clear hardener over the patch next. It's dry. It dried pretty quick here, so we did a test piece, and with some epoxy it dried without any cloudiness, so we're going to go ahead and epoxy that up also. But pretty happy with how the finish came out. Real happy. Skipper likes the color. We both like this color. It's got a little blue in that red there, and that's just the way we like it.